are the best pieces of evidence to win your personal injury case when you get into an accident? Number 1, always take clear photos of the scene. Make sure you capture all vehicles, your injuries, and anything that shows what happened and how the accident happened. Number 2, get witness information. If anyone saw the accident, politely ask for their contact info. Their statement can back up your claim. You might feel embarrassed to ask for it at first, but you'll sure be glad you did when that check comes in. And number 3, file a police report. This official document is gold when it comes to proving fault and building your case. Without it, there's basically no case. Strong evidence leads to stronger claims. Send this video to a clumsy driver you think needs to hear this.